Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been wondering how can you get and play Minecraft for free in your laptop or PC, you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, make sure you are connected to the internet and then let's go ahead and open our browser. From here, simply Google Minecraft and then open the first website. It should be the official website of the game. And then from here you can scroll down and find Minecraft right there. Now when you scroll to choose your device here, you'll be taken to a page where you find out the main way of getting Minecraft in the website. You won't get it for free like this. So let me show you how to get it for free in the Minecraft's official website. You first tap on games right here and then you choose try Minecraft free. Click it and then as you can see it says download, sign in and then play. So scroll down and we have now two versions. We have Minecraft Bedrock Edition. You can choose where you want to play it here, and also the Minecraft Java Edition. You choose where to play it here. I'm gonna choose this edition, so I'm gonna choose Windows 10 11, and of course it's going to start downloading in a minute. Here it is. Let's wait for it to download and then we launch it from here. So this is the installer basically. Of course, run. From here, just gonna choose I have read and accept Microsoft software license and all that. Install. And of course, now you just wait for it to basically download the needed files and you start playing Minecraft in your laptop for free. So it might take a minute right now. You might check your internet. So you're just gonna download for a little bit. And that's it. That's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. I thank you so much for watching.